Hey guys, this is Tim. What could possibly be in this very small box? Well, let's open it up and take a look and see. It is a heavy-duty, lay-flat water hose. This was recently sent to me by Giraffe Tools, the manufacturer, for review. So this is a 25-foot, 5/8 inch heavy-duty lay-flat water hose. It is kink resistant, very flexible, leak-proof garden hose with male and female fittings. So it's very lightweight. It's easy to store. It's abrasive resistant, and it has a rating of 150 psi. Again, made by Giraffe Tools. So both the male and female fittings have these springs to protect the hose from permanent kinks or wears on the ends. So let's hook these up and give it a try. You want to typically hold the hose while you turn the fitting onto the faucet. Connect the Giraffe sprayer. I've unrolled the hose. Okay, I have the water turned on and you can see the hose is now round, filled with water, ready to spray. Kink resistant, as you can see. Okay, and as you drain the water hose, you can see the hose will return back flat again. So you can see the hoses will wrap up flat again for storage. So you see how flat it can be arranged for easy storage, doesn't require a lot of space. The thing I really like about Giraffe Tool products is that they come with a 2-year warranty. So I highly recommend this 25-foot lay flat water hose.